If you love the outdoors, this one's for you. Let's talk about why nature is our true home. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. These words by Gary Snyder remind us of our deep connection to the earth. Think about it, the rustle of leaves, the song of birds, the scent of rain-soaked soil. These aren't just experiences, they're a part of us. From the towering trees to the gentle streams, nature nurtures us, heals us, and grounds us. It's where we find tranquility and inspiration. It's where we truly belong. So next time you step outside, remember, you're not just visiting, you're coming home. Take a moment today to appreciate the beauty around you. Because in nature, we find ourselves.